My name is Sophia Anderson, and I'm graduating this year with the Vanderbilt class of 2020. On behalf of the entire Vanderbilt community, I can't thank you enough for supporting us on Giving Tuesday now. Without you and people like you, I never could have had this Vanderbilt experience that I had dreamed about for years. Would have been completely out of reach. But through Opportunity Vanderbilt, I was able to attend this school. And I know firsthand that a gift really can change a life because that happened to me. When the COVID crisis hit, I was working 2 jobs throughout my senior year, getting ready to get my first apartment. And I had to leave those jobs behind and leave behind my senior year, and looking for a job in this economy has just been so disheartening, and I've felt really alone. But when I got the email that I would be receiving aid through the Student Hardship Fund, I just cried and cried, like I'm crying right now. Because that was more than a financial gift to me. That was a reminder that I have an entire community of people who are standing behind me. And that's what Vanderbilt is. That's what Vanderbilt has been for me. So I just want to thank you for the things that you're doing, for the gifts that you're giving, because you're not just supporting students like me, you're supporting our faculty, you're supporting our athletes, our athletics programs, our research, and that makes a huge difference. So thank you so much.